In this fresh unboxing, the NebulaCharge AI Smart Backpack arrives in matte midnight with an iridescent zipper and a reassuring weight. The interior reveals modular compartments, a wireless charging pocket, and a hidden RFID shield, all synchronized by a soft LED indicator on the strap. Its companion app maps weight distribution, tracks item location, and adjusts airflow to keep laptops cool during long commutes. The reviewer notes the sturdy build, comfortable straps, and stylish tech aesthetic, then tests real-world shipping, charging, and anti-theft features. Recommendation: ideal for creators and commuters who value organization and future-proofing, with a caveat to verify warranty and water resistance.